Hello guys, it's Tochi once again, and as usual we are here in Tochi's Graphic Academy. This happens to be the introductory tutorial video to onset the TGA Masterclass 1, and in this video I bring to you the needed applications to design like a professional, the needed applications that will help you design like a professional, which actually is the main motive of this masterclass. And I'll also present you with some Design Pro resources that I'm going to give it to you guys for free. And so I will further help you with how you access them also. Okay, so without much ado, let's get started. Okay, so on my screen, you can see the needed apps here. On my left, starting from my left, we have PixArt. It's something we have been introduced to already. But the most important app you are going to use here is Pixel app. We have Remini. We also have Photo Room here. We have Image Search. And we have Z Achiever. Okay, so without wasting my time, I will zoom in and start with Remini. Now, Remini is an app that helps you to enhance an image. Okay, so you can get it from your Play Store and then you download it. Now, this is how it works. Now, when you tap and open Remini for the first time, it will process and open. Now, when it opens, you tap on Get Started. Good. You just tap on this part. You continue. So when it opens like this, there is no need to make any purchase. You just tap on the cancel. Then you tap on give access to photos. Then you tap on allow. Now your images appear here. Now you go straight to the image you want to work with. Maybe the image you want to improve or enhance its quality. So what you do is to just search for the image. Now, if your image is around here, you just select it. If not, you just tap on the gallery, then you get access to the image. So I'll be using the image here for the tutorial. Now, take note that you shouldn't tap on this Pro option. That one is a paid option, so don't tap on it. Just tap on the dark part, Enhance. So it will work on it, and after some time, it will finish. Okay, so guys, just as we know, we deal with quality images as graphic designers, so you shouldn't compromise on any image at all. Once you get an image, try to enhance it. Okay, so that is the new image format we have got. Very well enhanced, very much clearer now. But you can see the tone has changed, and so you can go to color, tap on color. Now when you tap on color, you tap on disable. Now the disable will revert it to the previous color. I think this is good. Now you have it this way. You tap on the check mark. As you can see, the color is the same. Good. Now you can save your work by tapping here. Take note, don't tap on these Pro options. This is the basic one you are allowed to access. Don't tap on this version 2 or version 3. Now you can also use these options to improve it better. This face beautifier is quite good, so you can discover for yourself. Now you tap on download. Once it downloads, this is the most important part. You have the right to save, but to save, you need to watch an ad. You need to watch an ad, so tap on it. An ad is an advert, so it will the advert will just show. And looking at this place, it's showing for just 30 seconds. So after this reaches to 0, they will just show permission granted. They will show permission granted. Then you move on to save your picture. Now let's wait for it to load. Take your time. Okay, so once it is done, it says reward granted. So you just tap on that. Tap on that. Your image will be saved to your gallery. It is done. Now you tap on done here. Now your image goes straight into your gallery. Let's access the image now. So you can go to Remini here and access the image. Very beautiful. So there you have the image. You see the improvement. It is very nice. Now at this level, you can further enhance it through the techniques I exposed you to in PixArt. I'll just be quick with that. Go to adjust. Then you can improve the brightness, the clarity, and all those stuffs. Don't touch the hue. Highlight, you can just reduce highlights more. Reduce shadow. You add some temperature to it to make it natural. I think this is okay. Now you now save it. Once it is saved, now this is the next app I'm introducing you to, Photo Room. Now Photo Room does the role of removing backgrounds and other extra features. So let's go into it and see. You tap on it. Now this is how it opens for the first time. Then you tap on let's get started. Once you tap on it, to ask you what purpose are you using it for. So what do? You just tap on other, or you skip. So this place you skip. No need for that. Then you tap on the cancel. Now it is set for use. Good. Now this is the interface for Remini. So these are its duties. It can remove background. It can do retouching of the image. It can have provide you with an instant background. That one is a pro option, so you don't use it. And all these options. So it can provide you with an image that will have a white background, a black background, or a transparent background. So this is the option we want to use. Aside that, it has further extra features that you can go into. You can just cut your image and present them on all these surfaces. So let's try it. So to use the Remini, you tap on this button that is start from photo. Then you give it access. Once you give it access, you go and select the image. Since it is here, you tap on. Good. Once the image is done processing, this is the interface. Now it presents your image on varying surfaces, varying design surfaces, but these are the most important ones I want to introduce you to. This is the one having the background to be white. This one has the background to be black. And this one is a transparent part. So if you want to remove background, you would just choose this transparent background. So that is it. Then you go straight to save your image. Go straight to save your image by this option. You just tap here. Then you tap on you tap on save to gallery. Save to gallery. I don't know why or when they started adding this watermark. So note that their watermark here should not appear in your work. So you try and cover that when you are using it for your design. Okay, so let's tap on done. There are extra features you can do here, which I will introduce you to as time goes on. Now, this is one most important feature that I will further introduce. This is the profile part, where your image can be presented in nice profiles that you can use for your profile picture. Let me introduce you to it. Once the image background is removed like this, you can have this nice feature too by uploading it on your profile. So it has a feature like profile pictures. So it presents your image on a profile picture format that you can use on your WhatsApp DP. It's very nice. So you can select any of these and save them. So maybe this one. Just choose it, and once it is done, you just tap here and you save it just as we did. Now these are all options you are allowed to choose or select from. You can further access them and discover on your own. Now let's go back. The next app I'm introducing you to is the main app that we are using for this session, that is Pixel Lab. Now this Pixel Lab was downloaded from the Play Store. Once you give it access, okay. Now I will not actually take much time here because I will do a new video presenting you to the interface and its usage. Now I want to expose you to this part. When you press this button and you try to access the stickers, this option here has that crown button on it, meaning it is a pro option. So when you tap on it, you are required to pay some amount of money. And so I took the pain to share with you the pro version of this app, which gives you the opportunity to access all the aspects of it for free. And so let me take you through how you can install that one and then set it up. So the first thing you do is I'm going to share the link with you. So once you tap on the link will lead you to the Google Drive. Now once you go to the Google Drive, it is inside my TGA resources. And so once you get here, first thing you do is to tap on this option button here. Once you tap on it, then you go to download. Once you tap on download, it is going to show a notification that it's downloading, so you can check the rate of its download from the notification bar. So it will start downloading. Let's wait for it to download. So it will download. Once it is downloaded, then you can locate the file. It will be in your file manager. So let's see from here. Now you go to, this is the next app I'm exposing you to. The Z Archiver is a file manager that you are going to make use of. Most of the stuffs I'll be sharing with you are going to be in zip format. So this will help you decompress them and use them. So let's try it for the Pixel app that we just downloaded. So you just tap on it. Once it opens, this is your file manager. So you go to downloads because it will go, that is where you find it. Now you go to Pixel app. Here is it. Here it is. So there you have Pixel app. So you just tap on it and install. Now this one installs and replaces that one, but because you have already installed one on it, this one will not install. So you uninstall the other one. So you uninstall the other one. That is if you have installed it from the Play Store. And when you uninstall it, you go and try it again, and it installs perfectly. To install perfectly. Now once it is done, it is scanning. You can just stop it. Now once it is done installing, let's see its new features. Let me take it to where I have my apps. So you can open it. I give it access. Let's see what happens again. Now you tap on the stickers and you see, though the button is on it as a crown feature, but still it is accessible. Now it is not asking you to pay anything. So this is the version I give to you for free. Make sure you use it. All right. Now let me take you to the other aspect where I'm guiding you through the resources download, the resources that you're going to download. Now I'll be sharing with you font resource pack, a font resource pack. Okay, so that one too, when you tap on the link, it will lead you to my Google Drive, where you find it similarly in the TGA resources. So that is it, TGA font zip. So you just tap on it, then you download. Once you download, it will complete its download and you find it in your, so it will take time to download. So you see it has started downloading. Once it completes its download, because I've downloaded it, I want to cancel it for the purpose of shortening this video. Now once it downloads, you can find it in your file manager. So you go back to the Z Archiver, tap on it, then you go to your downloads, you see, and you tap on downloads and you go to TGA font zip. Now this is how to access it. Once you try to extract it here, it will be released into all the fonts will appear in your downloads, which will not be right. And so you want to carry them into your font folder. So how do we cut them? You just tap on the button here, tap on it. So once it is selected, then you go up here and tap on the tools. Tap on it, tap on the tools here. Tap on it, then you go up here and tap on tools. Now once you tap on the tools, you see cut. So you can cut it. Once it is cut, you pull it down and then tap on this option, which will send you back. Once it sends you back, you come to your font here. Then you tap on font. Now you can release it here. So how do you do that? You tap on this green button here to just place it there. You get that? Good. Now let me take you to another step of doing that. Let me cut it back to the downloads and then help you how to bring it back again. Now you can, so at the first, through the first method, I tap here and use this button. Now secondly, you can tap on it and hold, tap and hold. Once you tap and hold, you tap on cut here. Now you go back to the same, through the same process, then you release it into your fonts. Now you tap on it once. You get it. You tap on it once. Don't press and hold. Don't press and hold. You tap on it once, then you tap on extract here. So you tap on extract here, it will extract all the files. Then once they are done extracting, you see your folder here. That is it. Now this happens to be all your fonts. This happens to be all your fonts. Good. Now you can have access to them. Now let's go back to the other resources. I shared with you the link to some JPEG images and PNG images. Once you tap on them, this is how their format is going to be. So that is a JPEG images. So JPEG, you see, once you tap on it, to lead you to the Google Drive where you have bunch of images that you can choose from. I think I taught you how to download them. You just tap on this button, and if it is your choice, you just tap on it, you tap on download, then it downloads. Once it downloads, you can just have it in your download file. You can go there in your gallery. Sorry, I'm moving too fast. Tap on your downloads here. So that is the image, very detailed and clear. So there are so many images I shared for the purpose of this masterclass. And so we have the file for JPEG images. I will share with you background images. I will share with you PNG images. Take note. Now once you have them, you see I have mine as icons, and so you too, you can do same. You can just tap on it. Once it opens, you tap on this option here, then you come to add to home screen. Note, tap here and come to add to home screen. Once you tap on add to home screen, you can give it a name, or you can use this name then add. That is it. And when you go back to your home screen, you see that it will be added as an icon. That is it. So this one, you can keep it somewhere safely, so that in any case that you want JPEG images, you know that this is the icon you are coming to tap to lead you straight there. Then you have a bunch of images to choose from. Good. It is the same for the other forms of images. Now the last thing I'm going to talk about is the image search here. Now the image search is like a tool helping you to get images. So once you tap on it, this is how it is. Just tap on close. It is guiding you through. Now to search the image, you tap on this option here, search. Now you search anything, let's say a happy woman. So you say happy woman, then you just tap on search. You have results for happy woman. These are all options you can choose from. All these images are images you can download. So you can just tap on it, and when it opens, you see the button here giving you the chance to download. So you just tap on it and download. Take note, images that comes and have this watermark should not be downloaded and used for your designs. Take note. So you look through and search for the ones without any watermark. So you can just have a proper search. In fact, it can give you any sort of image. You can search for any kind of image at all, any kind of, whether it is clip art images, whether it is any form of image. If you want, these are JPEG format. If you want PNG format, the ones without background, you go to option here. Now this is where you treat the kind of images you want to see or view. So if it is the size of the image, you can treat it here, whether you want a large size, a medium size, any image at all. Then you can treat the color of the image. That is where you make it a JPEG image or not. So if it is, you tap on any, meaning it will mix to have some of them being of background or without background. Now you want full color, you can tap on that. If you want black and white, the image will come in black and white. If you want transparent, that is where you get images without background. So you just tap on transparent here. Now you go back. Now the images of the happy woman will come, but those ones are ones without background. So let's see whether they have backgrounds or not. So you just tap on the lady and you see the background will be nicely removed. You understand? So you get this image and it's a PNG format that you can use for your designs. This one is also a nice one without background. So it will load here. As you can see, it is loading. Once it finished downloading, it will be presented in the form that you expect it. And so that is it. It's a very nice image that you can use for your designs. Good. Now you tap on that place to download it. Now one thing about that is, once the image downloads, they download according to the name. So this is happy woman. So you can see what will happen. So this is happy woman. All the images are under happy woman. Now if you search for, let's say, flag will also create its folder. If you search for blind man, it will also create its folder. If you are going to search for football images, it will also create its folder. So you see that if you are supposed to continue that, every image you are going to search is going to build this folder. So what you do is, once you download and it comes here, you can create one common download. So you see I have here image search. So this one folder I've created. So once I get myself any image downloaded from there, I will cut it out and then bring it here. So that they will all be in one folder. Okay. All right, guys. So I think we have gone through the PixArt, Remini, Photo Room, Image Search, ZArchiver, and then Pixel Lab. Now we will end here, and then I hope to catch you up in the next video.